Hi everyone, my name is Aniket Kumar and I'm going to talk about AnySec. So basically I have started one YouTube channel which name is AnySec, and I'm going to upload a video regarding cybersecurity and data science. And basically if I talk about me, so I am a cybersecurity trainer and as a data scientist trainer. I've been working in this field, it has been probably 2 years, and now I am thinking that I need to upload some video regarding cybersecurity and AI security because I am also working in this field, so I have good knowledge. So I am thinking that I can start some YouTube channel and upload some knowledgeable video which will be helpful for you. And if you are new here, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So now let's talk about which kind of video I am going to upload on this YouTube channel. And if you will follow and if you will subscribe my YouTube channel, so what are the opportunity and what are the benefit you will get from my side. So I am going to start a complete playlist where I am going to upload a video regarding cybersecurity. I will start from scratch and I will talk about web security, network security, and end of the I am also talk about AI security, which is very new field nowadays, and there are lots of job opportunity coming regarding AI security. So but before that, you need to be familiar with the little bit about cybersecurity and data science, because if your basic is not clear, so when you will going to exploit the data science model and AI model, so it will be difficult for you. So that's why I will start a foundation course on cybersecurity. After that, I will also upload a video on data science. So when you will complete those both of the foundations, so you are able to learn about AI security. So I will also talk about the web security and what are the types of attacks are available in web security, and what are the new attack and what are the methodology we use for exploiting the web. And we also talk about some web security standard like WAF's top 10, and we will also play some CTF regarding web security, network security. And after that, we are going to learn how to perform the modern attack, how to defend the system and how to attack the system. And we will learn what are the threat detection, security updates, and how to secure the system, how to bypass the firewall. And after that, so basically everyone, I have created a lab regarding AI security. So just a second. So this is the lab where I have uploaded all about the AI security. So basically this lab name is AI security learning path, and the estimated completing time I have given 300 minutes because it is a very big lab where I have included 24 module, and all of the module will teach you about the about the basic. The every module will teach you basic about machine learning, how to train a model, what is the data pipeline. So you have to be start from the introduction to AI security, where you will learn all about the AI security, what is the AI security, and what are the things we need to learn before starting our career into the AI security, and how the AI life cycle goes, and what are the category involved for training AI model. So this is the about introduction about AI security. You will get lots of things. I have uploaded everything. What is model evolution, the life cycle of AI. You will get all about the things. This is about introduction task section 1, and like that I have included 28 tasks. After completing this room, you will learn your basic concept will be clear, and there is some few things are I haven't added right now, like practical part which I am working, and it I will include all of the practical lab very soon. And this is the 24 module I have included. So if I talk about the all about module, so first module we will learn about AI security, and this second task you will learn about little bit Python, and what is dictionary, what is data types, and how to what is loop, and uh, basically the your basic Python concept will be clear. And after that, in task 3 I have added about machine learning basics and how to train a model. After that you will learn what is data pipeline in ML, how the ML workflow goes. After that I have included some attack like backdoor attacks, difference between DevOps and MLOps, what is the similarity between them, and data, what is data poisoning attack, adversarial example, their LLM jailbreak technique. And like that I have included about prompt injection attack, AI supply chain attack, differential privacy. You will get lots of things, just explore it. And very soon I'm going to add the practical lab. So this is the about my AI security learning path lab on TryHackMe, which I haven't published right now. So if you will search, so this, so you haven't been access, you have to access by clicking on link, which link I'm going to put into description box. So this is all about the AI security lab. So guys, if you are new here, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, so never miss this kind of important update. And I upload the video on the daily basis, so please subscribe my YouTube channel for more update.